It's summer here in Colorado, which means the flowers are blooming, the bugs are busy, the sun is out, and it's time to eat pie. My name is Brittany, and I'm the youth guide at Anything Potomac. And as much as I love to eat pie, the last thing I want to do on a very hot day is turn the oven on. So follow me into the kitchen and I'll show you some magic with my favorite summer recipe of no-bake whipped pie. To make this a truly no-bake pie, you can purchase a pre-made graham cracker crust. But if you have a toaster oven, then baking it at home in the summertime is no big deal. Just pop it in the toaster oven at 350 for 15 minutes, and then set it out to cool. And then you can move on to the filling. While your fruit topping and your crust are cooling, head on over to our website and check out all of the awesome things we've got going on this summer. And don't forget about the books. Place your favorite items on hold and swing by any of our branches for curbside pickup. I come from a long line of bakers and started working in my family's bakery at a young age. So when I make pie, not only is it a nice treat, but it connects me to home. There you have a cherry whipped pie. Test out this recipe with your own flavor combos. Another one of my favorites is a mixed berry topping with a lemon cream filling. Thanks for spending time with me in the kitchen, and please be sure to leave a comment down below with your favorite flavor combo. I hope you have a fabulous summer filled with wonder, magic, and lots of pie. Check below for the full recipe, and happy baking!